Hello and welcome to a new video. So this video is dedicated to my daughter Fiona. She is now turned 2 months old and I wanted to create a video where I could capture her moments of the day. So I tried to capture all that I could, and if you are looking forward to watching some cuteness, then let's begin. So our day starts in the morning at around 6 a.m. This is the time when Fiona generally wakes up, and it works well for me too because I'm done with filling of water, so I can now attend to her at this time. And I give her feed, and I also get her diaper changed, the one that she's been wearing overnight. So after a nap, she's now awake at around 9 a.m. and at this time while feeding her, I also give her two important medicines. So the first one is this, which is called Balguti. It is a very nutritional value for newborns, but we started her after a month. And the second one is gripe water. So for Balguti, what I do is I collect some of my breast milk like this, and I add a little bit, which is a pinch of Balguti, and this is how I feed her. Once I'm done feeding Balguti, after that I feed her a spoon of gripe water. So after another nap, she wakes up at 11 a.m. and at this time Sophie too is done with her online schooling. So she is now spending some time with her little sister, and both of them use this time for some play. So around noon time, we have a lady who comes home and she takes care of Fiona's Saj and bath. Okay, so I just wanted to take a moment out and share something and add it to this video. तो ये है हमारी मौसी, और ये मौसी का बहुत बड़ा हाथ है फियोना के लाइफ में. तो मौसी, मैं एक वीडियो बना रही हूँ फियोना के लाइफ के ऊपर. लाइफ मतलब उसका दिन कैसा जाता है सुबह से लेके शाम, और उसके लाइफ में तुम्हारा बहुत बड़ा हाथ है क्योंकि तुम्हारे वजह से ही वो बढ़ रही है अच्छे से. और अगर उसके लाइफ में तुम्हारा हाथ है तो मेरे भी लाइफ में तुम्हारा हाथ है. तो हम लोग, मैं, मेरा हस्बैंड, आपको थैंक यू बोलना चाहते हैं कि आपने हमारे लिए इतना अच्छे से सब कुछ किया, अच्छे मन से किया और हमको अपना समझा. हम भी आपको अपना समझते. मेरा तो कोई है नहीं, ना माँ ना सास, लेकिन आपने जिस हिसाब से मेरे को संभाला, मेरी बेबी को संभाला, उसके लिए हम लोग थैंक यू कहना चाहते हैं. और ये वीडियो में मैं चाहती हूँ कि ये आए बिकॉज मैं चाहती हूँ, मौसी का बहुत बड़ा वैल्यू रहा है हमारे लाइफ में, तो मैं चाहती थी ये वीडियो में भी मौसी आए. तो मौसी, थैंक यू. थैंक यू मौसी. So after her massage and bath, now she ties her up nicely. This is needed because the child gets a good sleep, also some warmth, and at the same time Maushi also uses salt to take out her nazar, is what we call it. So yes, this is what she does every day. And Fiona was sneezing a lot this day, so what Maushi did is she heated up some ajwain with salt and she tied it up like this in a potli, and the fumes is what she was letting Fiona inhale so that her cold goes, and trust me, this really works. Okay, so now that baby is sleeping, I thought I'll quickly show you all what products we use for the baby. So the first thing is for massage, we use this oil which is baby massage oil. We started this only after after she completed 1.5 months. From the time she was born till 1.5 months, we were using ghee for her, and after that we started with this oil which is Himalaya brand baby massage oil. And you must have seen Maushi in the video applying this on the head. That's because this is not Lukman A Hayat Tail. This is just the bottle that we are using. But in this, we had used, so we heated coconut oil and we added ajwain to it. So carom seeds. We added ajwain to the coconut oil. We heated it up so that it can have the ajwain essence in it. And we strained it and put it in this. So this is just the bottle being used. But we are using this for her head. So this is for the hair oil and this is for the body massage oil. Apart from these two, for her bathing, we are using a soap of the brand Chico. But I wanted to go for a Himalaya soap, Himalaya brand soap. And we didn't have it at that time, and which is why I went for a Chico soap. So once that's over, I'll probably go for a Himalaya baby bath soap. And for her hair, we are using Himalaya baby shampoo. So these are the products I'm using. As you can see, it's mostly Himalaya. Even a diaper rash cream is what I use for her occasionally. I didn't feel the need to use the diaper rash cream as such, but once I did when I had changed the brand of diapers that I was using. So yes, she did get a little bit of rash, so we use by baby diaper rash cream. What happened? Yes, baby wipes I use for the brand Himalaya. So the diapers that I use is of Huggies. So I have cloth diapers as well as diapers, and I think I made a video sharing when I had purchased all this stuff for baby, what I have with me, and what I'm going to use. This is before she was born, but as and when time went by, I felt using diapers, not the cloth ones, the Huggies diapers were more convenient. One, because baby gets a sound sleep. I am able to do my work as well while baby is undisturbed. When it comes to cloth diapers, what happens is every time the baby is getting disturbed, and then continuous wiping will also harm the baby's private area. So I've avoided using cloth diapers. I do use it for say 2 to 3 hours during a day, just so that she can get that off diaper time. But otherwise I'm sticking to diapers because that helps me as well as it helps her. So that's working for us. Yes, so that is about her products and things that I'm using for baby currently. I thought I'll just share it with all of you what all she's using. So in the afternoon, Fiona had a very good sleep, and she did wake up once for her feed, but after that she did sleep very well. Now it's evening time. She wakes up again at around 7 p.m. So at this time I give her a sponge bath. What I do is I heat up little water, and with the help of a soft towel I get her completely wiped, and I also at this time apply baby powder, which we avoid doing it in the morning time when after her bath, because at that time she needs warmth and powder tends to cool the body. So I do this in the night time after her spa. Once her sponging is done, she is in a very playful mood, and as you can see, her big sister Sophie is also playing with her. We keep her in this play pen kind of a thing, and this was gifted to her by her godma. So godma, Fiona's godma, if you are watching this, thank you very much. Fiona enjoys her time in So she has been awake all this while, and now it's 10 o'clock in the night. This is the time when I put her to sleep. So I am getting her wrapped up in her swaddle cloth so that she can have a good sleep. But this is the most difficult time of the day, to be very honest, because she completely refuses to sleep, and I have to spend a lot of time putting her to sleep. And it sometimes goes up to 12 midnight as well, just making her go to sleep. But what can I say? I mean, motherhood is, even though it's challenging, it is a blessing and it is rewarding at the end. So, this was all about how Fiona's day in her life looks like. I hope you all liked watching this. Thank you so much for watching.